Hello guys, hope you are good of health and doing well. Welcome back to our German learning sessions. Hope you are getting new insights about German and you are excited to learn some new words, some new lessons about Deutsch. In today's video, we'll talk about names of colors in German. If we say that how we call the word colors in Dutch, then the appropriate word for colors is Farben. Farben. So let's start and learn the names of different colors. Obviously, the famous one in Deutsch. The first color is red, and we call rot. Rot. In German language, we pronounce red as rot. Then there is blue, and we call it in German as blau, Then there is yellow, and in Dutch we call it gelb, Green is pronounced as groen, Then there is orange, and we pronounce it as orange. Purple is called as lila. Then there is white, and we'll pronounce it as weiß. Then there is black, and we call it as schwarz. Gray, grau. Then there is pink, and that is known as rosa. Brown in English, and in Deutsch we will say it as brown. If you are interested in learning some new sessions and new things about German language, you can join our group, that is Learn German with Ustad Ji Online. The group link is available in description of this video. You can join our group by clicking the link provided in the description below. If you have not subscribed to our channel Ustad Ji Online, you can subscribe our channel by clicking the subscribe button, and also click on the bell icon to get the updates provided by us. You can follow our channel, that is Ustad Ji Online, on WhatsApp, and also like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. We'll get back to you with some new learning insights and new learning sessions in German. Till that time, just take good care of your health. Bye.